Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the door bin on this GE refrigerator. Let's get started. To remove the door bin, grab both sides and lift up to release it from the door. If you have a bad door bin and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side and location specific, so please make sure that you're ordering the correct one. To install the door bin, align the slots and push down to set it in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.